So if you're facing the issue of mouse pointer disappeared in Windows 11, here's the video for that. First of all, you need to press Windows plus X into your keyboard to open up these options. Then from here, you need to press down arrow key to move your pointer to the device manager and simply hit enter to open up the device manager. Right after that, simply press tab key and then again down arrow key to reach the mice and other pointing device. Then simply press right arrow key. Again down arrow key to move your pointer into the first device. So as you can see, I have connected two of the mouse, but any of them is now showing up. I'm going to fix that issue real quick now. So for that reason, you need to press Shift and F10 to open up these options. So again, go and press your down arrow key like this and you will get to the point uninstall device. Simply press on that and again simply select the uninstall. Alright, and again go with the scan for hardware changes. Simply select that one and it will refresh your computer, and as you can see we got back our mouse. So that's how you can simply fix mouse disappeared in Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.